are you doing today? I want to say, for one, Happy New Year's. I know I haven't been on YouTube in a minute, so Happy New Year's to y'all, for one. For two, how are you? How was your New Year's? Did y'all even did a vision board, started your New Year's resolution or anything like that? Whatever it is, do it. Is you gonna achieve it? You gonna make that come true? I have faith in you. But that's not what we are here for. What I would like to talk about is Wells Fargo's not producing mortgage loans. Now, I've been surfing the net a little bit, and I know by the time y'all get this video, it's probably going to be towards the end of January or at least somewhere in February. I'm not for sure. So let me review my little notes. If you see me looking down, you already know. Okay, the CEO of Consumer Lending, Kebeler Santone, I think I'm pronouncing his name, said by making a decision to continue to reduce risk in mortgage business by reducing size and narrowing its focus. Also, the bank would shutter its correspondence business, which sells mortgage through parties, plus scale back its servicing portfolio. Which meaning this, three key points to keep in mind. Wells Fargo is retreating from its mortgage business as rising borrower costs hammers housing demand. Bank will now only offer home loans to existing customers and families from minority communities. And also, Federal Reserve big interest rates hikes are factored in the U.S. mortgage and rates soaring at 6.5%. Yes, I know. Y'all don't have to tell me at all. I already know the housing market is like crazy. But like I told you before, it's not like 2008 where everything had went to complete shits, basically displaying it. Now let's continue on. Highest mortgage rates. Give me 1 second. Hold on, give me 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. Had somebody calling in while making a video. Like, really? Anywho, highest mortgage rates are expected to drag significantly in the U.S. housing market, which part of the potential buyers as repayment cost rises. As we see right now with the mortgage and everything else, buyers and sellers too are waiting to sell their homes or to purchase the homes because everything had went up high. Let's be real, eggs is like damn near $10. When have eggs been with $10? Like I told everybody, it's time for you to get your Monopoly money. Go in the closet. Y'all had played Monopoly. Pull that Monopoly money out and start using it, because this is where we are heading towards. So I get it, people. Also, to sum it up, because the company dealt with these issues after 2008, like I stated before, but this is not a 2008 housing bubble crash. This is something completely different. So please keep that in mind. And I had explained that in other videos. So check out my previous videos as far as for that. Plus the 2016 scandal, the banks have become much more risk advised, according to consumers lending. Caliber Santo, I think I'm saying his name right. Don't want to get into it too much with the 2016 scandal, but keep in mind what Wells Fargo went through with that. So they really thinking about how the way they want to help any brand new clients as far as with mortgage. So they trying to take a step back, if that made sense. Housing market has become under significant pressure since the beginning of 2022. Falling, can't talk, through floors. New buyers is faced with much higher repayments. Existing homeowners are trapped in their current mortgage deeds. And then of course the ones that did went out and bought homes that was like 2%, 1 or 2%, I can't remember, as far as when the mortgage rate was real low. Of course they're not going to sell their houses at this moment. The mortgage rate is super low. That's not even expected. Anywho, less competition only likely make it tougher for those who are looking for homes, as well as other sectors such as realtors who rely on volumes to make their money. which is somewhat, this is very true. We rely on those volumes because that's how the way we know how we're gonna make our money and factor in everything that comes with it. To sum it up and say it in one big old word, Wells Fargo is just pulling out for the time being. For how long, who knows? But because of everything that's going on, interest rates going up, even though they telling you that people is getting hired, don't let that be a false narrative, because a lot of people still don't have jobs. A lot of people are still struggling. Um, Wells Fargo's just had to do what was best for them as far as with mortgage rates. So they trying to take more what their other peers have did, like Chase Bank and JP Morgan, if I'm not mistaken. They trying to take not their side, but the word I'm looking for is what they have done. Because I don't, if I'm not mistaken from what I was reading, and that's my fault, JP Morgan and Chase Bank, I don't think they give out mortgage loans, and if they do, it's to the customers that have already signed up with them. So with that being said, if you and your family is ever ready to sell a home or to purchase a home, please, please, please always do your due diligence, do your research whenever you need to, and also understand what mortgage companies can help you and your family out, and also find the best realtor that you can. It don't have to be me, because I can't do all the states. I can only do state of Virginia. But once again, it don't have to be me. Find what's best for you and your family. But anywho, I want to say once again, Happy New Year's. Sorry it took me so long to get up here. I miss y'all guys. And once again, follow me on all social media platforms. Like, click, and share, and comment. And that's it. Anywho, I am Kenita, the agent slash investor. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. Bye.